Hello guys! Today we are celebrating uh, Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day to all mothers around the world. Yan guys, we need to blow 5 candles because I have 5 kids. So, we are celebrating with Happy Mother's Day. Um,
Yeah. Hold it. Wait, you gonna make a wish? Hey, you okay?
Thank you!